Have you ever thought about building your own website, but you were thinking in your mind, this is too complicated? As a matter of fact, it's time consuming. Imagine if I told you it could be done in just 5 minutes, without any code, without stress. Yes, the truth is, most people struggle to create a website because they think they need a tech degree, expensive tool, or days of trial and error. Today, I'm going to show you how to create a fully functional website, beautiful website in Systeme.io in less than 5 minutes. Yes, I mean 5 minutes. I will walk you through this simple, easy process, drag and drop, with no code tool, and you will walk away with a professional website ready to showcase your product, service, or idea to the world. Alright guys, first thing first, if you don't have Systeme.io account right now, go ahead, click the link below, go and sign up for Systeme.io. Is a free all-in-one marketing software that you can use right now to create your website. Not only are you going to use it for your website, you can also use Systeme.io to launch your marketing campaign. Everything that has to do with promoting and establishing your online presence is what this tool provides. But in this case, let's go straight to creating your website in less than 5 minutes. The first thing you want to do is to head on to this particular part. After you sign in, you will see your dashboard here. Then you head on to website. On that website, you will see blogs, sales funnel, and digital store. Click on the blog. Now the moment you click on the blog, it will open an interface for you. If you are just starting out, you won't see anything here. Here you can see in this particular account, I have about 9 blogs. Now, blogs here simply mean website, right? I have about 9 websites here already. Now, how do you create your website? Simple and easy. Go to this button here by the right hand side and you click create. The moment you click create, it's going to open an interface for you. The first thing you want to do is to write your name. Let's call it demo website. Now, when we're creating this demo website, you put your name here. The next part here, you will notice a domain name here. So this place, if you have a custom domain name already, you must have already integrated it. So you can select whatever custom domain you want this website to be on. I'll just leave it on the default Systeme.io free custom account. Then I can give it an extension. Now, the name of this website is demo. Let's just put here the name. We say demo website, right? Demo website. Now, the moment we have this name written demo website, the next thing you want to do here under it is to scroll and look for template. Now, this is the most beautiful part of Systeme.io because it allows us to use template to create our website. Now you can keep scrolling down, see beautiful designs. Now what you want to do here, first thing, don't just click anyone. See the option here, you will see preview template and select template. First thing first, select a template that you would love to use. Let me check out this. The moment you click here, it will open on a different page. While that one is yet to load, keep searching for another template that you can use right now for your Systeme.io account. Now when you scroll down, just look at it, you will see something that looks like what you want to create. Remember, when you're creating a website, if you are able to get the right template, it's going to cut down your time a whole lot more. So that's why I'm spending my time showing you how to choose a template. This look cool, this look cool as well, right? You can see very cool web design depending on what you want to do. So after selecting that one, let me check another one. This is cool as well. Let me just check. So now let's go to the first one. Now you can see this is a template of what you could have if you decide to go with this. You will see the sample. This is a very nice website, follows the right structure of a website, homepage, contact us, articles, about. Then you can see your title here. Then you have a hero section with the image. Then when you go under it, you'll now start seeing your latest post. Fantastic, beautiful. This is beautiful, so beautiful. Go to the next page, it opens up for you again. You see more articles, more interface, nice and fantastic, right? So you look at this, you say this is good, but let's check the other one as well. This is the other one. This is fantastic with all the icons you need to have. Everything here. Look at home, contact us, articles, about us. Look at very intuitive design. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. So now you have a lot of templates. With this, your website is ready. Can you see? This is beautiful. So I will just go back. I'll just select this particular one here. I'll click select template. When I click select template, I have the opportunity to save. Okay, I need to check out this part, the name. You don't need to have space in between the name. So I click save. Let's give it a second for it to save. The moment it's done saving, it will just show you here blog has been successfully created. Now, how do you you now edit and start customizing your website? Because that is one of the most important things. And let me walk you through it. You go here, just click on the website here, demo website. It will open here. Systeme.io website comes with 3 different parts. The first part is your posts, right? This post here simply means all the various articles that you have on the website. The articles, the blog posts, whatever name you want to call it. And the next one here is the page. The page simply means this part here. Let me show you. This part here is the page. All these are the pages. All these are the pages. Then this part here, all these things you're seeing, 15 best interior decorating secrets, how to make homemade paint. All these parts here now, these are the blog posts, right? So now you understand the page, you understand the post. The last part here, this is the category. Now, category is how you want your blog post to show. Let's say on the website, I have articles around interior and I have another articles around life. I have another articles around lifestyle. So I can segment them. So how you segment your blog post, your articles, is what we call the category here. So when I create 10 articles about interior, I'll just add them to this particular category. When I create another articles about life, I will add them to this category. And that is how you section all the information that appears on your website. This part here is another way for you to create more categories. Let's say I want to start adding paint. So I can just click here and create a painting category where I can be sectioning all my articles that have to do with painting. So you can see we're done with this section. Now we have a blog layout. Blog layout is a place that allows us to arrange all the elements that display on our website and pages, right? You can choose how you want the section to appear, to redo the arrangement and all that. That is the blog layout. Then you have the view. The view, when you click the view, it just opens up the same place for you, something like this. So you get to see your website. Then finally, you have the blog settings. This is where the magic happens. This is the blog settings. When I click on the blog settings here, it takes me back to the first thing I did before, where I put the name. This way you get to change the name again, change all this information. You want to put this particular website on a different domain name, you are free to do so. You want to change the name, you are free to do so. Change language, you are also free to do so. Now let's go back to this place, blog layout. Now this is where the magic happens. This is where you actually customize your website and make it your own. Let's click on the blog layout. The moment we click on the blog layout, we are going to have a brand new interface that's going to show us everything that we need to customize everything on our website. Let's say I don't like the articles that I saw there. Of course, you want to change all the articles. You want to change everything you see here. Everything is drag and drop. Easy peasy. Now this particular video is not a video of customizing your website. Now you have a website. The next video I'm going to do is about how to customize every aspect of your website. So you can click here and watch it. If it's not yet available, come back. By the time you check back on the channel, you would have seen the video on how to customize every aspect of your website, because that is the most important thing after creating the website itself. You can see it's very easy. Next step is customization. See you in the next video where I will show you how to customize your website. Bye bye for now.